Hi everybody and welcome. I'm Stevie and I'm a touring wardrobe assistant for the Welsh National Opera. As we come to the end of 2020, the New Year celebrations will be a little quieter this year, so the wardrobe team and I have got together a selection of costumes from 5 different operas that have that party atmosphere. So let's meet our party guests. Our first guests are Rosalinda and the Prince Orlowski from Johann Strauss II's Die Fledermaus from 2011. Designed by Deirdre Clancy, Rosalinda's dress is made from silk Duchess satin that has been embroidered, specially designed by Deirdre. The embroidery on the dress was done whilst the dress was in pieces and was only seen complete during the first stage rehearsal. The Prince is based on ceremonial dress uniform and has embroidery, but it has been appliqued on. These both feature in Act 2 during the very lively Champagne song. Our next piece features in Verdi's Rigoletto from 2002, designed by Robert Innes Hopkins. The production was set during the 1960s during the Kennedy administration. The Duke was based on John F. Kennedy and the chorus gents were based on the Rat Pack, with some of the smaller roles based on Frank Sinatra, Peter Lawford and Dean Martin. The piece begins with a party, and the gents of the chorus were in tuxedos and the ladies' chorus were in evening gowns. This is one of the 1960s inspired evening gowns and is covered entirely in white beads. Our next couple are the Count and Countess Almaviva from Mozart's The Marriage of Figaro. This forms the second part of the Figaro trilogy from 2016 and was designed by award-winning designer Sue Blame. Sue's love of period costumes shines through with these costumes, literally. Sue wanted them stylish and beautiful, but still with her twist on them. They are classic 18th century costumes, but made from 21st century fabrics like lurex linen. Although the colour of the costume looks the same, they are in fact different, with the Countess being made from silver linen with gold thread, and the Count gold with silver. They both feature in Act 3 for the double wedding celebrations of Marcellena and Dr. Bartolo, and Susanna and Figaro. Our next guest doesn't need a +1, as she has an opera named after her. This is Lulu from Berg, from the 2012 production, designed by Marie-Jean Lecker. The theme of the costumes was a circus, with Lulu being a ringmaster manipulating the other characters. All the other characters wore evening wear with realistic animal heads, but Lulu was the only one who didn't. All her costumes are form-fitting and made from sequined fabrics, made from different colours, so she was the centre of attention at all times. Fashionably late to the party but always wanted to make an entrance is Musetta from Puccini's La Bohème from 2012. Designed by Stephen Brimstone Lewis, the gown consists of a champagne-coloured crepe satin underdress with a black silk tulle overlay and is encrusted with black jet, and it's cut to flatter the artist's figure. Although it's based on 19th century Parisian fashions, it's actually quite a showstopper even today. It also features in Act 2, which features the famous Musetta's Waltz. Well, thank you for being our guests, and I hope you've enjoyed looking and hearing about some of the costumes from some great characters in opera. We hope you can join WNO in 2021, when hopefully we're back performing. And all I have to say is Blwyddyn Newydd and Happy New Year!